something that Cody asked for, and more of it is just because we do a lot of testing and stuff, but it could be very useful for you guys whenever you're doing your normal stuff. I added a multi-select option in the Outbox. So if you are, you've got a bunch of things that are past due, and maybe you want to reschedule them, but maybe you want to reschedule them for next Monday instead of today or something. You can now click on multi-select. You can then come in here and select multiple items. And then you can either delete them. If you just want to delete things, you can certainly delete, or you can reschedule them. So you can schedule them to a different date if you want. So if you've got some past due items, these are all already sent, so it doesn't really make sense. But if you maybe had some past due items, or maybe they were due today, and it's just like, I don't really want to send them today. Somebody's out sick, or you don't want to, do something. I want to reschedule it for tomorrow or whatever. You can use the reschedule option to reschedule them all.